Hey guys! It's DIY day.
Today's DIY is, Ani always says, oh, this one's a cool one, this one's a great one. But this one is really, really cool,
Is
guys.
that what it sounds like?
Yeah, you do.
Whatever. Today's DIY is lit, okay? It is a green tea face serum.
Oh my god. Oh my god, you had me at serum.
Every time I'm like, Nora, what DIY should we make? She's like, serum.
Anti-aging, serum, anti-aging.
Okay, so today we're making a green tea face serum. It's going to be so cool, and you probably have all these ingredients already.
If you watch any of our videos.
Obviously. But before we get into that, what's the giveaway?
Our giveaway is, I know I'm a little devastated because usually our giveaway goes with the video, but I couldn't find the serum to give away. So instead of the serum, we're going to give away a lip screen with SPF.
Okay.
So a lip balm with SPF, you guys.
Sure. Okay. So let's make our DIY.
Yay!
Ingredients that we're going to use in today's DIY is a little bit of green tea. I literally just took the green tea packets and I opened them up. So I used 2 packets. Okay. We're going to do half a cup of olive oil, and what we're going to do is, there's a reason why there's a third bowl. We're literally just combining it. So this has been infusing for about 2 hours now. So try to do this in advance so that you really get like all the benefits from the green tea. We're going to be using a little bit of avocado oil, a few drops of lavender oil, some jojoba oil, and of course our favorite
anti-aging
frankincense oil.
Anti-aging.
This is like the best thing to put in any like facial serum, moisturizer, oil product.
Yeah.
And then we're going to use a little bit of cheesecloth to get the oil out.
All right.
Cool? Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this cheesecloth right over my clean bowl, and Nora's going to go ahead and pour the oil mixture. And go slow so that the oil can seep through. Great. And I'm going to go ahead and squeeze the rest of the oil. Perfect. Perfect. So we have our infused green tea olive oil now. We're going to add 1/4 of a cup of avocado oil. We're going to do about 8 drops of lavender essential oil.
I love how you handle the essential oil.
Always. And we're going to do about 10 drops of the frankincense oil. And I'm going to do 2 full drops of jojoba oil. So as you can tell, we were a little lenient with the measurements. It's okay if you have a little bit more of one thing and a little less of the other thing. The most important thing is the infused green tea. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this into our bottle. We're using this as our little funnel system.
So excited. I'm so excited. It's like having a green tea mask on your skin all the time.
Totally, and we're gonna use it now. Do I look younger?
Do I look younger?
Yeah.
Am I glowing?
Yeah, you're glowing.
Perfect.
Did I take 5 years off my face?
3.
3? 3 and a half?
Maybe if you use it for like a week.
Okay, I'm gonna use it for a week so I can take 5 years off my face.
All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this awesome video.
So great.
For the giveaway, it's the lip screen with SPF 30. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, because if you're not, you can't win any of our giveaways.
Leave a comment for a future DIY you guys want us to do.
And make sure to like the video. See you next time.
Bye, guys.